What if I told you your muscles are quietly dying, right now? And the scariest part? You might not even notice it until one day you can't stand up from your chair without using your arms. Scientists call it sarcopenia, the silent muscle loss that begins after age 40 and speeds up after 60. According to the National Institute on Aging, adults can lose up to 30 to 40% of muscle mass by age 70. That's not just weakness. That's your independence slipping away, step by step, chair by chair, fall by fall. But there's one simple daily habit, proven by studies from Harvard, Mayo Clinic, and Stanford Medicine, that can slow, even reverse this process, and rebuild the kind of strength you had in your 40s. What's at stake if ignored? Ignore this. And it's not just your muscles at risk. Muscle loss steals much more than strength. It lowers your metabolism, making you gain belly fat even if you don't eat more. It weakens your bones, increasing fracture risk. It slows blood sugar control, pushing you closer to diabetes. And it cripples balance. One fall after 60 can trigger a cascade of hospital visits and loss of mobility. A 2023 Harvard Health Review found that seniors who lose muscle faster are 3x more likely to die prematurely from any cause. It's not aging, it's neglect. The human body isn't designed to wither. It's designed to adapt. But only if you give it the signal, the right daily habit, to stay alive. Here's the truth. Most people think you need heavy gym workouts to rebuild muscle. Wrong. According to a Stanford Medicine 2024 study, just one consistent daily habit can trigger your body's muscle-preserving switch, even without weights. That habit is protein timing. It's not just how much protein you eat, it's when you eat it. Stanford researchers discovered that seniors who consume at least 25-30 grams of protein within 1 hour of waking have 2 times higher muscle protein synthesis, the process that repairs and builds muscle fibers. Why? Because after a night's fast, your body is in a catabolic state. It's breaking down tissue, not building it. Morning protein stops that destruction cold. So that's habit 1. And it's the foundation of staying strong after 60. But let's go deeper. Practical tip 1. The morning reset habit. Start your day with a muscle-restoring meal, scrambled eggs plus Greek yogurt, or a whey protein shake plus peanut butter toast, or simply lentils and oatmeal with milk if you prefer plant-based. The target is simple, 30 grams of protein within 60 minutes of waking. According to the Journal of Nutrition, IH, this early protein spike activates your muscle-building enzyme, mTOR, which declines rapidly with age. It's like flipping the muscle repair switch back on. The result? More muscle, better balance, faster metabolism, and even sharper brain function, because muscle tissue also controls glucose delivery to the brain. That's the power of one daily reset habit. But that's just the start. Practical tip 2. The anti-gravity secret. You lose muscle fastest in the legs, the quads, glutes, and calves. They're your anti-gravity muscles, the ones that keep you standing, walking, and climbing. Harvard researchers found that after age 60, people lose 1% of leg muscle every year if they spend more than 8 hours sitting daily. That's like aging 5 extra years, just from sitting. So here's the fix. Stand every 30 minutes. A Mayo Clinic experiment in 2023 showed that standing or walking for just 5 minutes every half hour restores blood flow and muscle activation enough to offset up to 8 hours of sitting. You don't need marathons. You need micro movements. Simple idea. Every time you get up for water, do 10 calf raises. Or stand and stretch your thighs for 20 seconds. You're reawakening dormant muscle fibers, one movement at a time. Hidden truth or doctor's secret. Most doctors will tell you to eat enough protein and stay active. That's not wrong, but it's incomplete. Here's the hidden truth Harvard physiologists discovered. Your body stops using protein efficiently after age 60. It's called anabolic resistance. In plain English, even if you eat the same amount of protein as you did at 40, your muscles can't use it properly anymore. That's why seniors often lose muscle despite eating enough. But here's the doctor's secret from Mayo Clinic's Geriatrics Research Unit. You can reverse anabolic resistance naturally. How? By combining protein with leucine, an amino acid that turns on muscle growth. Leucine is found in whey protein eggs, fish soybeans, pumpkin seeds. When you combine leucine-rich foods with exercise, the results multiply. One Mayo Clinic trial showed older adults gained 30% more muscle when they added leucine-rich protein daily, even without heavy workouts. So don't just eat protein. Eat the right kind of protein. Practical tip 3. The Leucine Protocol. Here's a simple plan you can start today. Morning whey, 1 scoop whey protein or 2 eggs, lunch. Chicken, lentils, or tofu with olive oil. Dinner, fish or Greek yogurt before bed. Add a handful of pumpkin seeds or peanuts between meals. That's your leucine buffer. It keeps muscle building active all day. The NIH confirmed that spreading protein evenly through the day, about 25 to 30 grams per meal, helps older adults build twice as much lean tissue compared to eating all protein in one meal. It's not about eating more. It's about eating smarter. Major daily habit or mistake to avoid. Now, here's where most seniors unknowingly sabotage their progress. They eat too little, not by choice but by habit. According to the National Institute on Aging, after 60, appetite hormones decline. So most adults eat 20–30% fewer calories than they actually need to maintain muscle. That's why normal meals often lead to slow muscle starvation. And the biggest mistake? Skipping dinner or having just tea and biscuits before bed. That's the time your body repairs muscle during deep sleep. Without protein at night, you lose what you built all day. In a 2022 Harvard study, seniors who took casein protein, found in milk and yogurt, before bed had 60% higher overnight muscle synthesis than those who didn't. So, if you're serious about staying strong, never go to bed hungry and never let your muscles sleep without fuel. Hidden risk, the silent muscle killer. There's another danger almost no one talks about. Chronic inflammation. Even if you eat right, low-grade inflammation from processed foods can destroy muscle cells. The Stanford Longevity Center found that high sugar intake, even 1 soda or sweet snack a day, can increase inflammatory markers by 30%, blocking muscle growth signals. That's why people who cut out added sugar and refined carbs gain muscle faster, even without extra exercise. To calm inflammation, replace sugar with berries or dark chocolate. Use olive oil instead of vegetable oil. Add turmeric or omega-3 rich fish twice a week. Within weeks, you'll feel your body wake up. Muscles respond faster. Joints ache less. You move with energy again. Hidden truth 2. Your brain controls your muscles. You might think muscle health is just physical, but new neuroscience says otherwise. A 2024 Harvard-MIT collaboration found that the brain's motor cortex, the area that controls movement, shrinks when muscles are inactive. In other words, muscle loss isn't just a body issue, it's a brain issue. Every time you move, your brain fires new connections. Stop moving, and the brain begins pruning those pathways, literally deleting your coordination and reflex memory. That's why falls increase after 65. It's not just weak legs, but it's the brain-muscle disconnection. The fix? Mindful movement. Try slow, controlled exercises, yoga, tai chi, even slow stair climbing. They rewire the brain-muscle link. A Stanford geriatric study, 2023, found seniors who practiced 10 minutes of balance training daily had 50% fewer falls and stronger motor responses than those who walked longer but less attentively. Doctor's final advice, the 3x10 rule. Let's simplify everything into one powerful daily system, backed by science. It's called the 3x10 rule. 1. 10 minutes of morning protein within 1 hour of waking. 2. 10 micro movements every half hour, standing, stretching, calf raises. 3. 10 minutes of mindful balance practice before bed. It's small, but it rewires your biology. Because consistency, not intensity, builds strength after 60. The Mayo Clinic tracked over 1,000 seniors for 5 years and found those who maintained consistent low-intensity muscle activation had 40% lower mortality than those who exercised irregularly but intensely. That's not luck, that's physiology. The body rewards signals, not sporadic effort. Muscle loss isn't inevitable. It's preventable. It's reversible. But time matters. Every year after 60, the clock ticks faster, and the price of inaction grows steeper. The choice is simple. You can keep shrinking quietly, or you can take control with just one daily habit. So tomorrow morning when you wake up, don't reach for coffee first. Reach for protein. Because that one decision might be the difference between living longer and living stronger.